In this video, I'll attempt to review the Smoothie Diet. That's a weight loss program that uses the power of smoothies to help you lose the weight you need. It's designed to help you reach your desired weight in just 21 days. And to find out how, you can just watch this video till the end and find out. Is it hard for you to lose weight? If so, then you're not alone. Meet Amanda. Amanda's a friend of mine, and she had exhausted all of her options to lose weight, but after the birth of her second son, she was unable to do so. She gave Jenny Craig a try, Weight Watchers, and even some of the crazy fad diets out there from Dr. Oz. Oof. And that worked for maybe a day. But you know what? Nothing worked. She tried every popular plan there was and still failed. Poor Amanda, right? For sure, you've been there. I know we all have. I mean, who hasn't? Not long after, she found a way to lose weight that was not only enjoyable for her, but also compatible with her active lifestyle. And if you want to know how she did it, I'll tell you more about it. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons if you're finding value in it, and maybe a little bit of ease use. Hit that bell icon to get notified of our new upcoming videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I subscribed. I'm going to try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. With all that said, let's get back to the review and the ease of the story about Amanda and the Smoothie Diet. With the help of the Smoothie Diet, Amanda was able to lose more than 70 pounds. Yeah, you heard that right, 70 pounds. Now, that's a lot of pounds. And guess what? She's not gained any of it back. So why does the Smoothie Diet work so fast, so well? Because the Smoothie Diet eliminates all of the unhealthy foods that are contributing to your weight gain. In addition, it speeds up your metabolism, decreases the intensity of your food cravings, and lowers the number of calories you consume. So, what does this mean to you? One thing for sure is that you'll never go hungry. You'll never end up binging, and that's why the Smoothie Diet works. Plus, the Smoothie Diet is very convenient. The single most important factor that determines whether or not a diet is successful is convenience, am I right? If a weight loss program is challenging, or if you have to climb a mountain, you're probably not going to stick to it, right? The most beneficial aspect of the Smoothie Diet is that it allows you to continue to lose weight even after the initial 21-day period has passed. All you have to do is consume one smoothie in place of one of your regular meals. Sounds pretty easy, right? Do it for 30 days and it'll become a habit, and you'll also end up loving the smoothies. Best of all, you'll end up losing the unwanted weight. Now, do you know why the Smoothie Diet works so fast? It works because it's very sustainable. And it's a healthy eating plan that guarantees safe weight loss. The best part is that it leaves you with the choice of either continuing afterward or going back to eating regular food exclusively. This diet is not a fad or a trick. It's easy to follow and anyone can do it. And that's why it's perfect for busy folks like you and me. So if you're constantly on the go, you're going to love this very easy healthy eating plan. Now, if you can just set aside approximately 20 minutes in the morning to make the smoothies, you'll have enough time to make this diet work for you. Place of cooking breakfast, right? It's as easy as pie, and guess what? It even tastes like it. So you should definitely give it a try. Every recipe from Smoothie Diet can be executed in a matter of minutes. You just need pantry staples that are available at almost any supermarket. There's no requirement that you abstain from certain foods. And yes, you can still eat anything that you like. My favorite part, you just need to consume 2 smoothies each day. But you also have to make sure to eat a full meal and some healthy snacks in between, right? Then, if you want a break from the Smoothie Diet, you can go ahead and take a break. You can give yourself a day off per week in which you're allowed to eat whatever you want and still stick to the program. Just as long as you follow the Smoothie Diet guide, which is included, you won't have a hard time sticking to your Smoothie Diet at all. The Smoothie Diet guide will show you how you can be flexible with the program. You'll read more on that when you get it. And this flexibility makes it easy to manage, even if your schedule is unpredictable. The Smoothie Diet is more than just a fad or a quick fat loss program, and then it all bounces back. You can also get all kinds of other incredible benefits from it. For example, you'll experience enhanced vitality without giving up coffee because everybody needs coffee, right? You also won't have to deal with that brain fog, which means your productivity will skyrocket. The Smoothie Diet can also help promote healthy, glowing skin. It's also a long-term solution to bothersome bloating of the stomach. And most importantly, you'll have complete control over how much weight you want to lose. It's hard just to say how much weight as you can lose with the Smoothie Diet, but you're definitely going to lose weight. Just look at Amanda. She stuck with the Smoothie Diet after giving birth to her second son and lost a whopping 70 pounds. All she did was stick with the 21-day plan for a few months. You'll also have definite weight loss with the Smoothie Diet. And it's a bonus that you'll love the process as well. So why not get started? Just click on the link in the description right under this little video, and I'll take you to the product page where Amanda did her thing too. If you like this video, find a value in it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new upcoming videos. Then leave a comment below saying, I subscribed. I'm going to try my best to reply to as many comments as I possibly can. One last thing, go ahead and watch another one of our SuccessTrack TV videos right here. That helps our channel right at the top of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, my name's TJ Harrington. I'm an old man at 71. Still have lots of energy, and I'm both creator and CEO of SuccessTrack TV, which you're watching. See you in the next SuccessTrack TV video, making good news in your life.